Most kind, righteous and eternal Father, I truly come to you once more, mighty God, to give you thanks and praise for your keeping care, tender and mercy towards us. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. As you all know, it is back to school, so everybody is on their toes and everybody is active, everybody is outside, everybody is doing what needs to be done to sort out the beautiful children for school. So daddy was on breakfast duties and mommy was on getting the baby girls ready and beautiful to get out of the house. So to get out of the house to school. Anyways guys, it is quite evident that we did not clean up the house yet. So yes, the Chester jar is looking a little messy, but it is what it is when you got kids and you have to wait really early to get them off to school. Sometimes you're not gonna have the time to clean up while you're going through, and this is very realistic. You have people that they won't show you this side because the way you feel like everything's really cute and baggy all the time, but we all know that it is not. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. The children are gonna share their first experience at school at the end of the vlog. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this vlog for real. Yes, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog for real. And that is basically all I have to say. Just keep watching. And remember, please leave a comment, because when y'all leave comments, that's how I know that you guys are really watching the videos, and that's how I know that you guys really like what's going on in the vlogs, okay? Because again, in the sense we have to put in work, guys, and oh no, watch your vlog. That's not the girls now, is it? Is it? Alright, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit later from now. Mwah. No. Aisha. Don't look again. You need to walk away. Let me see you. Aisha. Pass what Jelani. Yeah, you almost done.
Why?
We part way, might ugly, but you know, nasty and you know, dirty. Take your time, I'm going to look at you. Alright, guys, so as you can see, little love bump for me to say I did have it. It'll go away, you know, see? My bump face, bumpless, no bump. Just the little spots, and they are fading. Y'all see that? Spots are fading. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's Monday morning, back to school, baby. It's September 7th. It's back to school morning, and I'm running out with my kiddies. Wait, I'm gonna give you a wipe when I reach in the car to wipe off your shoes. My car is a mess. Y'all hear me? Mess. But alright, come in the car and lock your door. You gone away last night?
It was from last time. The last time we got tipsy. Oh yeah. Can we have last night, Mommy?
See if I want to lie, I made it to put the camera, never know. See it here. When they? Alright guys, so let us have reverence in the name of Alright guys, so we have to have a reverence to God. We have to be grateful for today, especially. Close your eyes, Ariana. Most kind of just an eternal Father, truly come to you once more, mighty God, to give you thanks and praise for your keeping care, tender and mercy towards us. Just as you can see, we're up early this morning trying to get the kids off to school. I am begging you to bless them, give them knowledge and understanding, give the teachers patience, mighty God, give the other students resilience, Father Jesus, to walk away from situations. Give my children patience to walk away from situations, mighty God. May I send them to school for the whole year, mighty God. I'm one and come back for the whole year, dear Jesus, spotless and unharmed. In your precious mighty name I pray. Amen, amen, and amen.
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 Alright, what did I do now?
Our uniform, never teacher to fix.
May I come with?
Mommy, look at this. I'm gonna make a
Stand
frog
up, Harry.
with my fingers.
Oh, you get wipes?
Yeah.
Look, Mommy.
So you want to sit down? That's so, yeah.
Yeah, that's the front.
Sit down. Want me to pay uniform already? Or the thing? Give me
But I
the-
don't have to be uniform like
No, I don't know. The thing where she use a marky.
Let me see your lipstick then crusty. Not crusty. Mora? Did you find your slippers?
Where is it?
Taking answer. Alright, let's go.
Mommy,
You coming in, man?
Mommy, I wanted the white lip
I'm gonna try
gloss,
to
not the
hurry.
gold one. I like
You wanna
the
do what?
silver lip. I wanted the silver lip gloss.
Where father got for me, them about?
Sit back and put on your sitting boy. You want the silver lip gloss. Alright, guys, we are heading out.
Mommy, you're just
And it's
like
my daughter's first day at their new school.
No, it's not my first day. I went there 2 times. I went there 1 time. This is my 3rd time. So
You need to pull up your seat and sit up. Come in and you relax. So. Alright, guys, so it's not Aisha's first time at her new school, apparently. That's what she told me because.
first time, because I saw not 2. Not 2. I did
You
another
can't say two.
time.
Jada, did you put lotion on your foot?
Lotion there, yeah.
Have some lotion.
It's
That makes sense.
Ari's first time going at school. Asha, you don't need
Guys, when me reverse on
Give me a
this, I always
second.
hate it.
It's my 2nd time now.
Time,
going to
so much
school.
time.
But different. When I
Melanie,
was at school, doing
and my car you drive last night?
South Kids, but now I'm going there.
Huh?
What's up, yeah?
It's like a big kids day.
Yeah, close your legs, girl.
But different.
Me good,
Big
man.
class, and you have a friend, me don't know her name, because she's your friend. Yeah, me never know her name, me never ask her.
That's all I care about, friends.
And we got friends named Nutella and Nathan.
Okay.
And they didn't give us nicknames. We gave them nicknames, but we took our nicknames.
We get bubblegum from? Ari.
Yeah?
That was cool.
That was great.
So how was your class?
It was great. I have a very kind teacher.
Yeah, your teacher's nice.
I was crying a little.
You Why you were crying?
Cause I missed you guys.
Really?
As soon as the class started, I started to cry. But
Really?
then one of the teachers took me out and told me that I should stop crying. And she made me find the bathroom. And I said the bathroom.
Sit. And what?
And then she brought me back in class. She told me that big girls don't cry. And she told me that you see all of the other kids and they're not crying. So I stopped crying and made friends.
Nice. Good girl.
You see, you found a solution.
7 friends.
You got 7 friends?
Yeah.
Lovely. So, Ari, how was it for you? Did you
We
find
went
friends?
outside, but they didn't have no chicken patties, so I ate beef patties.
You did? That's crazy. You ate beef patty?
Mommy,
Wow, Jelani, you hear that?
Mommy, if I didn't, but if we didn't have food, what would we eat? And somebody gives us beef patties. That
You see, if you survive.
Do you know that Aisha only took 1 bite that threw it in the garbage?
You're joking.
That's what she told me. She said she ate it, then she threw it in the garbage. And tried to take garbage bring time and never want.
Why?
Aisha, I had a friend that wanted some in your bag, so I never gave her. Aisha, guys have already eaten it already. But you have some in your bag. Aisha, I kept on offering her and she still didn't budge.
Okay.
And she was left with chicken. She was left with chicken. She didn't even want to eat anything.
Nah.
So the teacher took her to the Tok shop and brought her a bun and cheese.
Yeah, but
It's very expensive and I don't know why.
I don't know why it's so expensive either. The food is
But
expensive.
you
for sure.
never give me the lunch money.
A lie. Oh, you get patty then. Remember them say canteen down? So we have to buy the lunch at Tok shop. We never give you the money, but we give the teacher the money.
No, you never give me the money.
See what? You go where you see.
You want to buy what you want?
You buy bubble gum. Who give you bubble gum money? Them in know.
We buy everyone money. And not just 2 pennies.
Me know. That's why I'm not going to no money because people go to buy and see for in the farm.
Well, no, never friends.
Well, I'm happy that you guys enjoyed your day.
Yes.
Come tell the YouTube vlog. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
I wanna go back tomorrow.
Yeah, you're gonna go back tomorrow.